The holiday season is here, and so are the sales. But shopping online comes with its own risks. In this video, we'll share 3 essential tips to keep your personal and financial information safe while shopping online. Shopping online is convenient, but it also makes you a target for cybercriminals. From phishing scams to data breaches, there are several risks to watch out for. By taking a few precautions, you can enjoy a safe and stress-free holiday shopping experience. Here are 3 tips to get started. Number 1. Shop on secure websites. Always check for the padlock symbol and HTTPS in the website address before entering any personal or payment information. This indicates that the site uses encryption to protect your data. Stick to trusted retailers or well-known platforms to minimize risks. If you're unsure about a site, a quick online search for reviews can help you decide whether it's safe. Number 2. Use strong passwords and MFA. When creating accounts on shopping platforms, use strong, unique passwords. Even better, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, whenever it's available. MFA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts. Number 3. Monitor your financial activity. Regularly, check your bank and credit card statements during the holiday season. Set up transaction alerts if your bank offers them, so you can quickly spot unauthorized purchases. If possible, use a dedicated credit card for online shopping to limit your exposure in case of fraud. By following these tips, you can shop online with confidence this holiday season. Stay vigilant, protect your data, and enjoy the festive cheer without worry. If you'd like more advice on staying secure online, give our team a call. We're happy to help.